What do you suggest to help lawyers overcome concerns regarding stigma of mental health issues?
I'm not going to lie in that it's a really tricky one. I think the first thing to actually ascertain is whether or not the perception is correct. So there would be some law firms who have some very good mental health programs and who are quite open and supportive of their staff and would be encouraging their staff to come and talk to people if they could. Amongst the staff though, there may be that sense of, I really shouldn't be doing that, or my colleague is coping better than I am, and so comparing yourself negatively.
Yeah.
The difficulty with that is that most people, and in the law particularly, are very good at putting on a front of coping well, because you have to appear that way. So we judge based on the veneer without actually seeing what's going on behind. Taking some steps to kind of very tentatively check out what the reaction will be among your colleagues. So simply saying, if you're going to get a coffee with someone, like, I've got a lot of work on at the moment and I'm finding it difficult to juggle all of those tasks, is a way to get a sense of whether or not you will be judged negatively for making that statement. If there is that sense of stigma within your workplace and you're worried about that, then there are plenty of avenues where you can go and get some support anonymously or confidentially, so through Law Care or Assure programs, where that staff members don't need to know. And my final, I guess, challenge to people when I'm talking about stigma with them is that, to me, it's far more stigmatising to actually not cope at all, and to be getting behind in your workload, to be not managing well, to potentially have clients complaining about you or staff complaining that you may be sounding aggressive in the way that you're talking with them. That, to me, would be far more detrimental than being able to say, I found things were a little bit tough and I went and got some help for that.